It's P-Star, Nobelistas, URP, Mark Beats 24 bars challenge. Let's get it. Yeah, I'm back. For every minute I slack. I'm a rapper, man, attack. I'm in some lyrical bags. Bring your pencil and pads. I'ma physically snap like a venomous lad. I'm coming out for them snacks. I get it in your life. Here comes the airplane. They ain't coming like they behind some yellow tape. I get them jumping like they're trying to levitate. I'm just sticking to the plan like I'm sellotape. Trying to renovate the game from another place. Just another face to you, but man, I tell it straight. I can demonstrate anything I ever say. I'm just in it for the game, I know how to play. Like Corona got you stuck in your yard. P-Star, you're not, they can't match the bars. They wanna give it the top, till my dogdem buck. You think this shit ain't hot? Skididi, pop, pop. I bring it back to your back, I make the booty clap. When the hotline bling, that's a booby trap. Better focus on your cheese, start pickling. Wanna know where I've been, bro, bigger things. Putting them the rest, now ketamine. Get them back up on their bikes, now pedaling. Spitting ill, no sneezing and coughing, I got the remedy, now go and tell Boris.